In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the aspect ratio of OBS Studio. Let's launch the OBS Studio app. Changing the aspect ratio in OBS Studio is essential for ensuring your live stream or recording fits the intended viewing platform and looks professional. Different platforms and purposes require different aspect ratios. For example, 16:9 is standard for YouTube and most monitors, 9:16 is popular for TikTok and Instagram Reels, and 1:1 works well for some social media posts. If the aspect ratio doesn't match the target format, your video might appear stretched, cropped, or display unwanted black bars, which can affect viewer experience and engagement. In the top left corner of the app window, click on File. In the drop-down menu, click on Settings. In the Settings menu, go to the Video tab. In the Video tab, you can see two options to adjust the aspect ratio of your stream. To adjust the ratio, you just need to change the base section and the other will follow. If you click on this drop-down icon, you can select the built-in ratios. Or you can just change the ratios yourself by typing them. The existing ratio is 16:9. You just need to invert the numbers to change it into a mobile phone display ratio. The aspect ratio I changed to is 9:16, which is ideal for phone displays. You can see that as I change the base ratio, the output ratio changes automatically. After you are done, click on OK. Here you can see that the aspect ratio of the stream has been changed. Following these steps, you can change the aspect ratio of OBS Studio easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.